Southeastern service to Victoria, Woolwich, Methven, Longfield, Bromley South, and London, Victoria. This train is formed of 4.
Hi, it's Eugene, Rochester. I'm just trying to play some piano now, and I come with a placard. Hope I can stay there for a while till stuff will be not too much bothered. We will see how it will go. Just give a shout if you can hear me or not. pieces from different tunes. I haven't touched piano for so long time. Many months. But professionalism will be there. Anyway, I put my placard. Just see, people will pay attention on it. Later I'll give updates. You see, after my last video, they put email to me that they are definitely proceeding with the committals to prison. Why? What I have done wrong? I just called because I want to see my son on my birthday. It's incredible breach of any regulations, scoundrels. Please mind that they are watching all what I am saying. I emailed my letters and my reply to Lisette, so she might put it online later. I will comment maybe on judgment a bit later on. Now some Schubert list. played for ages, months and months and months, and altogether since he gone I did not play. It's 16 months and so. Well, they sent definitely letters. I just told them.
For the 1751 Southeastern service to London Victoria.
My son also played the piano, as you know.
Method, Longfield, Barton Road, Swanley, St Mary Road, Bromley South, and London Victoria.
So,
this train is formed of 4 coaches.
So now they say that he's pursuing his own interests. His passion is football. It's a bullshit. Took music, took taekwondo, took story writing, anything lost. Now they are proud, pursuing his interests, scoundrels. Well, now they are become a bit of hysterical because of my call, asking that I want to see my son. Because they become totally hysterical and demanding judge quickly committed. Just doesn't want to take it on. They oppress him. We are under duty to be protected. So what I did wrong? Went with my CDs and flowers to someone home, and she was not even there. So what's wrong about it? They are sort of untouchable. Today is my birthday. I want to see my son on my birthday. So it is so crazy, this judgment. I mean, I was supposed to prove in the court that to see my son is at his best interests, more than 4 times a year, every week. That's what I have to prove beyond on balance of probabilities. See? And judge didn't accept it. No. No, Eugene, to see your son is not in the best interest of him. 4 times a year, because you don't accept he is okay in a foster care. You don't accept that he lost everything. That's why you don't like it. You criticize. Go prison. Go prison now. Nice. All right. And who will be deciding? The same judge who made this 4 times a year. The same judge. Very convenient. I want to know date, because today is the 15 days of the strike. So if he go for it, then I will end up in a hospital probably. They want it as soon as possible, quickest possible dates, scoundrels. You heard my conversation. I was absolutely fine. I called her because when I said I will come to their office with the placard. I will come with the placard. I came to Rochester to play piano here. So I will not. If all these people became sissies, they're not afraid to. I will be not sissy, and that's it. I mean, people could die, and so I'll be just. Well, you'll see. I just want to play a little bit. People listen. It's a pity I don't get sort of support from UK group. I believe they're all busy to fight with the system on the Facebook. Very busy people. Not all, but some, of course. Thank you, Sarah Ruth, for watching. Thank you, Annie, Donna, Elena, Donna. Thank you so much. Right. Have to play some more. Second, we have some leaflets for people. People hurrying home, you see. Anyway, let's try again. Fingers are not really moving. Let's see. Just sad music, you see, mostly, and slow. Evgeny, keep up. Yes, up to hospital. 15 day, 15. You see, I'm surprised how I still lemon water. Sometimes get some honey. Yes, spoon of honey, just as a supplement. You see, but that's all. Evgeny, держитесь. Thank you, Svetlana. I want to go to this committal as soon as possible, and then go to prison, and then they can feed me by force whatever they want. Can you imagine that? Just want to see my son on birthday and said, if you don't like, I will. There is an official petition online. Fire officials committing cruelty against boy of 13. It was not my petition, of course I signed it. Already shit their pants. You can hear to me whatever you want. I wrote a letter, I mean. It's incredible. The worst is that what they do to my child. This is the worst. Want to play something interesting. I forgot. Сам Рахманинов. not moving, but it's a matter of few yeah,
For the 1801 Southeastern service
some time to refresh.
through
He could also play, you know, take everything.
Dartford, Abbeywood,
Can you hear me?
Arsenal, Charlton, Blackheath, Lewisham, London Waterloo East, and London Charing Cross. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
First time they took everything, took piano, and this time they want to take everything, including me. See? That for his best interest. Evil, absolute evil. But I have to stand up against this evil. If no one stands with me, I mean, I will stay alone. I'm not counting you, of course. Katie, not expressing anything. I'm just playing, you see. I'm with the placard here, by the way. Placard is staying here. Just be with me. I'll come back. Go to toilet. Yep.